In hot environments, visibility can make all the difference. The right reflective tapes doesn't just shine, it keeps people safe. Welcome to XM Textiles quick guide on reflective tapes. Stick around for a few minutes and we will walk you through the common mistakes people make when picking one. Plus, how to find the right tapes that actually works for your need. At XM Textiles, we've been in the reflective tape game for 15 years, which basically makes us the type nerds of the safety world. Our tapes are used in 51 countries to keep workers safe and seen. Our tapes are packed with the best components, starting from high-quality micro beads, these tiny glass presses that sound cute but work hard. The results give you reflectivity so bright. We also use super durable glue and the best FireLine additives to guarantee that our tapes resist up to 100 wash cycles. Not all reflective tapes do the same job. Some are built to last, and some just look shiny until first 10-15 washes. Let's check out what actually sets them apart, because when you are counting on it for safety, the right choice really matters. Safety standard N20471 is the main standard for high visibility. You go to for solid visibility, thanks to good old glass microbead tech. Perfect for hi-vis workwear when you just need to make sure no one disappears into the night. And it's not one size fits all. Actually, these types come with different baking depending on your hi-vis clothing needs. You have got TOS 100% polyester, comfy polycotton blends, and even PVC options that can handle wet conditions without throwing a fit. Our heavy hitters like the XM 6005B Pro can take on up to 60 industrial washes and still shine bright with raw values around 500-600. If you thought reflective tapes only came in silver, think again. N20471 tapes have stepped up their game. You will find colored options, stylish gross-grain designs, and even flexible piping that blends right into the seams. It's safety, but make it fashion. They keep working even after a bunch of washes. It's all about helping workers stand out. A lot of companies are still choosing reflective tapes without checking if they are properly certified. That puts people at serious risk when the tape isn't up to standard. Workers can be less invisible on site. Drivers don't see them until it's too late. And for first responders, using low-quality tape means they can vanish in smoke or low light. That's not just unsafe, it's dangerous. Always check the certification standards before you buy. The next mistake is that somehow we can call greenness over safety. Cheap reflective tapes that look fine at first, but after a few washes, they lose almost all their shine. Some drop up to 80% of their reflectivity after just 10 washes. The scary part? Workers still think they are visible, but to a driver, but they might as well be wearing nothing reflective at all. What seems like a good deal turns into a hidden risk. These certifications aren't just stickers on a product. They are there to save lives. Ignoring them isn't just risky. It could lead to injuries, lawsuits, or even shoot-down operations. Standard reflective tapes on firefighters' gear can catch fire in just seconds without an N469 certification. Those tapes turn from life-saving features to dangerous, fuel for the flames. When firefighters are already facing dangers, the last thing they need is gear that puts them at even more risk. Now that we've covered the types of tapes and the common mistakes people make, let's get into what actually matters when you're choosing reflective tapes. You've probably seen this number before. Raw greater than 330 or even 500 candles. In simple words, it tells you how well the tape bounces light straight back to where it came from. High retroreflectivity means that the light reflects right back to the driver, even from hundreds of meters away. That's how someone wearing the tape stays visible in the dark. The premium tape with raw over 500 shines bright and clear. And those extra candela per lux per square meter, they are not just fancy numbers. They give drivers those extra few seconds to react, and that can be the difference between a near miss and serious accident. When you are picking out reflective tape, first, make sure it's certified for what you actually need. Don't grab just any type of the shell. Second, if there is even a chance of fire exposure, go for flame-resistant options. Third, check if the tape works with your fabric. Some tapes don't stick well to certain materials, and that is a problem waiting to happen. And finally, durability. How many washes can it handle before it starts fading? If you are looking for premium tapes, take the XM6005B Pro. This one holds up even after 60+ degrees washes. Still bright, still doing its job, and if you are around fire or heat, go with something like XM8011 Malta Heat Transfer. It's flame resistant and stays visible, even through smoke. Don't go cheap on reflective tapes. Remember that XM SilverLine has got you covered with certified reflective tapes, whether you need high visibility, fire protection, or both. From everyday workwear to full-on firefighter suits, these tapes are built to last, shine bright, and keep people safe in tough conditions. Every batch gets lab tested, and you can even grab the certificates at xmtextiles.com. XM SilverLine is trusted worldwide. If staying visible means staying alive, then this is the tape you want on your side.